If you've been looking for a super easy to use, a weight bench that's able to get packed away and you don't have a ton of space, check this guy out. This is the Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench, and this guy is able to collapse and fold. So let me go ahead and show you a couple of the features I really like about this guy, and then I'll show you how it collapses after that. So the first one is adjusting the angles on here is super easy. You can take this guy, go full 90, just like that, full 90, and you can take it all the way down to 45 and flat if you want to. Now, I usually actually remove this guy right here because I don't need it. Now, there's bolts in the back of both of these guys, but I've already removed those bolts for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this guy over here. But this guy can go fully flat right here. Flat bench works great. I have lifted so many things just like this. Now, the other thing that I want to show you is that this guy has kind of a foot holder down for if you want to do like sit-ups on this guy and hold your feet down. You can actually remove this guy fairly easy. You just unscrew it and then move it, and then it's totally open. And then this seat actually adjusts as well. You have 3 different positions here. You pull the pin, you find the position you want it in right here. So there's the position I wanted in. Boom. Now you have an angled seat, but let's go ahead and go back to flat real quick. Now it's flat again. Now the coolest thing about this guy is that it'll fold up. So check this out. I'm gonna pull this pin right here and pull the pin down here, and then I'm gonna pull up, and you have a flat workout bench. So if you're in the market for a bench that can fold up on you, and you can also deploy it and it can handle a ton of weight, check this guy out. This is what I've been using, and I highly recommend it.